Okay, good morning, students. In the last class, we have discussed introduction of Boolean algebra. Introduction of Boolean algebra. There, we have discussed what is known by Boolean algebra and the terms used in Boolean algebra. Next, basic operations, addition, product, and complement. Basic operations, then laws, commutative law, distributive law, associative law, then Boolean algebra rules. Okay. These are the discussed topics in the last class. Today we are going to discussing De Morgan theorem. Okay, De Morgan's theorems, and we have two theorems. First theorem, okay. First theorem, complement of product of variables is equal to addition of complement of each individual variable. The complement of product of variables is equal to sum of complements of the variables. Okay. Now we are going to prove this one. Okay, we are proving with using truth table. So take x, y two variables. So we know Boolean variable will take either 0 or 1. So x will take either 0 or 1, y will take either 0 or 1. So we will have four combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Now you need to prove LHS is equal to RHS. And you need to prove for all the combinations LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. For that one, I need the terms x bar, y bar, x dot y bar. Okay. So first I am writing x bar, y bar, x dot y, next x dot y bar, x bar plus y bar. Now for each combination, write down these values. X is 0. What is the x bar? X complement is 1. If x is 0, x complement is 1. X is 0, x complement 1. X complement 1. Okay, x is 1, x complement 0. Similarly, write down for the y. 1, 0, 1, 0. Now do the product, Boolean product, x into y. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. Now, this is completely one variable and we are taking the complement of it. When you are taking the complement, 0 will be converted into the 1, 1 will be converted into the 0. Now x bar plus y bar. Now add x bar, y bar. 1 plus 1. What is the 1 plus 1 in Boolean addition? In Boolean addition, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 only. Okay, ma? Boolean addition to 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 only. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is also 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So for the given inputs, x dot y bar and x bar plus y bar giving the same result. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence true. And in the Boolean addition, 1 plus 1 is equal to not 1 0. Okay, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 only. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 only. This is the first theorem. Next, second theorem. First theorem indicates the product of variables with the complement. Product of variables with complements. Second theorem indicates sum of the variables with complement. Second theorem indicates sum of the variables with complements. And coming to the first theorem, the theorem is valid for two variables here. So we are discussing only two variables, x, y. This theorem is also valid for more than two variables. So the theorem is valid for 2, 3, 4, 5, n number of variables it is true. That is x dot, y dot, z dot, 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 whatever it may be. You can write this one as sum of complements of each variable. Sum of complements of each variable, x bar, y bar, z bar, plus so on. Whatever the variables comes here, you have to write the complement here. Okay. The theorem is not only applicable for the two variables, it can also applicable for the three variables, four variables, five variables, so on. Okay. Now the second theorem. Second theorem indicates x plus y bar is equal to x bar dot y bar. Okay. The complement of sum of the variables is equal to product of complements of each variable. Product of complement of each variable. Now we will prove this one. Okay. So it is x plus y, x plus y bar, x bar dot y bar. Now try to prove x plus y bar is equal to x bar dot y bar. Now we'll see what is the values for the different input combinations. Okay, already x bar y bar already we have written. So x plus y. Now do the addition of x and y. Okay, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 only. Next. Okay, x plus y is one variable. Complement of this variable, nothing but you have to write opposite values. If it is 0, you have to write 1. If it is 1, you have to write 0. Next, x bar dot y bar. Now do the multiplication of x bar and y bar. 1 into 1, 1 only. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 0, 0. Now LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. X plus y bar is equal to x bar into y bar. Hence proved. And similar to the first theorem, this theorem is also applicable for more than two variables. Okay, more than two variables. For example, we have the equation like x plus y plus z plus so on. Then the sum is equal to the complements of each variable. Product of complements of each variable x bar dot y bar dot z bar dot whatever the variables we write, we have to expand like this. Okay, but this is the second theorem. These theorems will be helpful in simplifying the algebraic expressions. Simplifying the algebraic expressions, these formulas and laws are useful. Next, one more thing you need to know: duality. What is this duality indicates? Okay, if an algebraic expression is true, if an algebraic expression is true, then its duality expression, is also true. Duality expression is also true. Okay. For example, okay, from Boolean algebra rules, Boolean algebra rule 12. Okay. What is the Boolean algebra rule 12? What we discussed there? A plus B into A plus C is equal to A plus BC. Already we proved this one. So this equation is true. Okay. This equation is true. When the equation is true, the duality expression also true. The duality expression is also true. But the question is how to get duality expression. The question is how to get duality expression. The duality expression you can obtain by replacing addition with dot, dot with addition, and zeros with ones, ones with zeros. You can get duality of an algebraic expression by replacing plus with product, product with plus, zeros with ones, ones with zeros. Now, what is the duality expression of rule number 12? Duality expression is replace plus with dot. So it will become A dot B. And we have the dot. Wherever the dot, we will get a plus. Next, A plus C. In the place of plus, we have dot. Next, A. In the place of plus, we have dot. Next, BC. What is BC? It is not a direct literal. It is B into C. BC nothing but B into C. So wherever you get the dot, you have to replace with plus sign. Okay, this is the duality expression. Already we proved rule number 12. Okay, and take as a assignment question, assignment 2, question number 1. Prove above equation. Prove above equation. Okay. A dot B plus A dot C equal to A dot into B plus C. Okay. Due to duality property, this equation should also be true. So I am asking you to prove this one. Okay. Next example. In Boolean, we know A dot 1 is equal to A. This is true statement. What is the duality expression? Duality expression you will get by changing dot with plus and 1 with 0. Replace 1 with 0. That is equal to A. The duality expression is A plus 0 is equal to A. Now, for example, a expression is like this: A dot A is equal to A. What is the duality expression? Anyone? Duality expression is thinking?
A plus A equals to A.
Correct, Amma. A plus A is equal to A. A plus A is equal to A. Okay, Amma. This is about the duality. Okay. Next. Operators priority. Operators priority. Okay. There is a algebraic expression is there. Consider, and in the algebraic expression, and which one to consider first to find out the result. For example, a expression is there: A dot B dot C bar A dot B bar. Like this, one expression is there. Here, what are the operators we are having? Look at the expression. We are having the complement. we have the product dot, we have the addition. Okay, these are the operators present in the expression. Okay, then which one to give the priority? So how to find out the result for this one? Which one to calculate first? Okay, so the first priority goes to the bracket. This is the first priority. So first you need to find the result of what is the A into B. You need to give the priority first. Next, you need to give the priority to complements. So second one is you need to find out the complement. Second. Third, you need to go with the product. So third, give the priority to the product. Okay, these are the product. Fourth, give the priority to the Boolean addition. Okay, this is the third priority, this is the fourth priority. And addition nothing but OR operation, dot nothing but logical AND operation, complement nothing but logical NOT operation. Already we have discussed it in the last class. So whenever we are doing mathematics of numbers, how to find out the result? We find out the result using BODMAS. Okay. For example, a equation is there. 2 minus 4 plus 6 divided 2, like this. So which one to give the first priority and which one to give the last priority? Okay. Okay. Multiplication. We keep the multiplication. Okay. Now 2 minus 4 into 6 dash 6 divided by 2. Which one to consider first? Okay. First you have to consider bracket, then division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Then only you get the correct answer. Okay. We have to do in these preferences only. First you have to calculate the value which is present in the bracket. Then go with the division. Next multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay. While you are finding the answer of numbers, okay, you have to go like this. Similarly, with Boolean algebraic expression, first you have to give the priority to the bracket, next complement, next product, and the last one you have to give the priority to the addition. Okay? Right. Okay. With this, we completed the first two topics in the unit 2. The definitions and theorems of the algebra we completed. Now the next topic is Boolean functions. Okay. Boolean function is nothing but an algebraic expression. Nothing but an algebraic expression. Okay. Algebraic expression with literals. Okay. Generally we write the equation with the literals only. Okay. It is an algebraic expression. And the example is f is equal to xy bar plus x bar z plus yz. Now this f is called Boolean function. Okay, the equation f is equal to x bar z yz is known as Boolean function. Okay, the result we indicated with f. F is one result. Okay, okay. We can also write this one as f1, f2, f3. Okay, like that we can write. This is one way of representing Boolean function, or we can write in brackets the variables present in the expression. Variables present in the expression is x, y, z. So you can write variables present in the expression in the bracket. Okay. This is about the Boolean function. Boolean function nothing but one algebraic expression. Okay, xy bar plus x bar z plus yz, like this. It is one algebraic expression. Now the next topic is simplifying Boolean functions. Simplifying Boolean functions. Boolean function nothing but algebraic expressions. Okay. Simplify below expression. Like a algebraic expression is there, x into y, x plus y bar. And remember, we can indicate the complement either y bar or y dash. Okay, ma? Y bar or y dash both are same. Okay, this is another way of representing the complement y dash. Now try to simplify the below expression if possible. Okay, we need to simplify this expression. Now from distributive law, expand. Okay, expand nothing but just do the multiplication using distributive law. Expand. Okay, nothing but just to do the multiplication. Okay, x into x plus x into y bar plus y into x plus y into y bar. Now, what is the x into x value? Okay, in the previous class we have gone through the rules. From rule 7, x into x is nothing but x only. Okay, y into y bar. What is the y into y bar? Go to the rule number 8. Y into y bar nothing but 0. Y into y bar is nothing but 0. This is nothing but x. So you can write this one as x plus x into y bar plus y dot x. Okay, from commutative law, you can write y dot x is equal to x dot y. What the commutative law states? A dot b is equal to b dot a. Okay, So you can write y into x also as x into y. Y into y bar is 0. Now x, now here x is there, take x common, y bar plus y. 0 plus 0 means 0 only. Okay. What is y plus y bar? Okay. From rule number 6, okay, ma, correct. Y plus y bar is equal to 1. Y plus y bar is equal to 1. So you will get x plus x. What is x plus x? A plus a. A plus a is equal to a only. Okay. From rule number 5, x plus x is equal to x only. So after simplifying this expression, you will get the final answer as x. You will get the final answer as x. Okay. To simplify the expressions, you have to use all the tactics and all the rules which you know to simplify it. Okay. Our goal is we need to make number of literals less. Here, how many literals are there in the expression? X is one literal, y is one literal, okay, y bar is another literal. Okay, we are having three literals are there. We need to reduce the number of literals. Simplifying means we need to reduce the number of literals present in the expression. Now, we'll go with the another example. Example 2. Okay. Prove below algebraic expression. Xy plus x bar z yz is equal to xy plus x bar z. Okay. You need to prove this one. Okay. Whenever proving one algebraic expression, you are having the two methods. Method 1 is using truth table. Using truth table. So, how many variables present here? X, Y, Z. So, take X, Y, Z and write down the possible combinations with three variables. We can write the combinations 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. 8 combinations we can write it. Okay. For these combinations, we need to prove LHS is equal to RHS. With these combinations, you need to prove LHS is equal to RHS. So write down the expression XY, X bar Z, YZ. XY plus X bar Z. Now solve it. Okay. Now find out the values, and if these two are equal, LHS is equal to RHS, hence prove. Okay. This is the one method of proving using truth table. Second method, using Boolean algebra rules. Again here we are having take LHS and derive RHS from it. Okay, take LHS value and do whatever the operations you want to do with Boolean rules and prove RHS. Prove RHS. Now B. Okay, from LHS. Okay, take LHS and you are unable to derive RHS from it. Take LHS and you are deriving, but you are unable to derive it. So stop at one point. Okay, stop at one point. Now take RHS and from it okay, take RHS and from it prove the middle point. Okay, take RHS and come to middle point, derive up to middle point, and now take RHS and come to middle point. Hence, if the middle points are equal, hence proved. Middle points are equal, hence proved. Hence proved. Okay. Taking LHS and proving to RHS is one way, or take LHS and derive it up to one point. Now take RHS and using Boolean rules solve and try to derive it as XX. Then if these two are equal, you can write hence proved. Okay, these are the methods already you know. The mathematics you used to get. Okay, these are the two methods. Now second problem, xy x bar z yz. You need to prove this one is equal to xy plus x bar z. Okay, try to prove them. Take LHS. Okay, here you have to use all the tactics you know to derive RHS. Okay, there is no one method is there. You can prove as you want. Okay, but finally you need to get RHS. There is no single method is there. We are having so many methods, but we need to get the answer. Okay, now yz is there. You can write 1. Okay, nothing will happen. Xy x bar z yz. 1 I can write as x plus x bar, since x plus x bar is equal to 1. Rule number 6 amma, refer if you have. Okay, 1 you can write as x plus x dash. Now expand xy xyz plus x bar yz. Now okay, now try to take the common Now try to group common variables. Here I am having xy, here also some xy is there. I am grouping these two as one, x bar z, try to group them. Now you will get xy, here you can take xy common from these two, you can write 1 plus z. Similarly, x bar z you can take common, you can write 1 plus y from these two terms. Okay, second time, fourth term will give this expression, first time, third term will give this expression. What is 1 plus a? 1 plus a is equal to 1 only. 1 plus a, any variable, 1 plus any variable is 1 only. So xy into 1 nothing but xy only plus x bar z. Since 1 plus a is equal to 1 only. So this is nothing but RHS. Hence true. Okay. Now third one. Try to find out the answer of the below algebraic expression. What is the answer? Simplify this Boolean expression. Okay, Amma? Try to simplify, and in the answer, if you have the complements like this, just write the complements with y dash. Okay, for the typing purpose. Okay, you can also write y bar also as y dash. Okay, simplify and post the answer in the chat box. Okay, Amma, 29 correct. Okay, the answer is, we'll solve, take LHS and try to take common. Here A is common is there in the first two terms. 1 plus D, I am taking common. A plus BC bar. 1 plus B nothing but 1 only. So you will get A plus A BC bar. Now again you can take A common. 1 plus BC bar. Now BC bar is completely one variable. Whatever it may be, the product, it is one variable completely. It indicates one variable. 1 plus variable, whatever may be, 1 plus variable is 1 only. So you will get A. You will get A. Okay, try to simplify this expression. Try to simplify this expression. Okay, now take LHS. Okay, not LHS because here LHS is not given. Okay, this is one expression. So now we are having product, bracket, addition, and all those things. Okay, in this case, first give the priority to the bracket. Operator's priority give to the bracket. In the bracket, what we are having? B dot C bar. B dot C bar from De Morgan's law, first law, from De Morgan's first theorem, what it indicates? X dot Y bar is equal to X bar plus Y bar. So similarly, here you write down A into B bar dot C bar, nothing but B bar plus C bar. Okay, now do the expansion. Expansion is A into B bar plus A into C bar plus B bar A. Okay, completely with the bar present. Okay, just you expanded here to expanded. Now AB bar is there, B bar A is there. We know A bar, A dot B bar is equal to B bar dot A. These both are same. Okay, from commutative law, these both are same. Okay, so we have AB bar plus AB bar plus AC bar, total bar. AB bar is one variable, AB bar is one variable. So x plus x, x plus x is equal to x only. So here you have to write this one AB bar plus AC bar whole. Now again apply De Morgan's second law. What is the second law indicates? The product, the sum complement is equal to product of individual complements. So consider this is x, completely this is y. So you can write this one as A dot B bar whole bar into A into C bar whole bar. Again expand. Again expand using De Morgan's first law. Again expanding means A bar plus B bar into A bar plus C bar. Okay. Double complement x bar is equal to x only. So you have to write A bar x complement is equal to x only. So A bar B, A bar plus C. And we have rule number 12, A plus C B into A plus C is equal to A plus BC. Here in the place of A, we are having A bar. So you can write this one as A bar plus BC. Okay, this is the simplified expression. Okay, Amma. You have to use all the rules, theorems to try to simplify. Okay, as much possible, you need to reduce the equation. You need to reduce the equation. Okay, I will give you one homework problem to try to solve that one. Simplify this expression x plus y, x bar plus z, y plus z is equal to x plus y into x dash plus z. Okay, Amma? You have to prove this equation. Okay, using Boolean rules, not with the truth table. Try to prove this one using Boolean rules. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, we will end the session. Mostly for the second mid, we are having second mid on 22nd. Okay, and we completed the 3 topics in the unit 2. We are having totally 8 topics. We are having totally 8 topics. We completed 3 right now up to today. So in the next week we complete another 3 topics. So maybe digital logic gates, almost we may complete the unit except 1 or 2 topics. We totally complete the units. Maybe the last topic may be remain, I think.
Sir.
Cheppamma?
Sir, could you upload this video on YouTube, sir, for today?
Chestanu.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Amma. Mostly last topic తప్పించి మిగతాదంతా ఉండొచ్చమ్మా సిలబస్ లో. ఓకే, ఎందుకంటే we will get mostly 4 classes. Okay, for one class one topic. For one class one topic, like that we may complete. Okay, right, Amma.
Sir,
చెప్పు.
సార్ ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ లో మిగిలిపోయిన టాపిక్స్ ఇంకా రావా సార్?
వస్తాయి. అది ఇంకా మేము డిస్కస్ చేసుకోలేదు ఫ్యాకల్టీ అందరూ. హ్యామింగ్ కోడ్ వస్తుందమ్మా ఖచ్చితంగా, అది నేను చెప్తాను.
అండ్ XS3 కోడ్ అండ్ మిగతా అదర్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ బైనరీ
వస్తాయి. ఆ బైనరీ కోడ్స్ హ్యామింగ్ కోడ్ వాటిలోనే ఈ 6 టాపిక్స్ ఉంటాయి. మిడ్. ఓకే, ఎండింగ్ ద